everyone, Jennifer here. I got a surprise package from Grove Collaborative on my doorstep, and I wanted to unbox it with you because I didn't know what it was. I opened it up and I thought, ooh, this is exciting. You know you're getting old when you get excited about cleaning products. They have launched a new line of cleaning products, so I just wanted to unbox it with you and talk about it. So it says, "Hi Jennifer, as a good friend of Grove, we wanted you to be the first to experience our brand new gel hand soap, gel dish soap, and glass soap dispensers. We believe that there's a better way to clean your hands and your dishes, one that's safe for you, your family, and the planet. That's why we created an effective, thoughtfully formulated, and generally lovelier solution to your hand and dishwashing routine." Oh, this is what came in the box. So I didn't order this, and this is actually a new product for them. And it's exciting. I really like the Grove products because they're just very eco-friendly. So let's get right into it. It looks like they sent a gel hand soap, lavender and thyme, and this has 3 refills in it. I really like this because it's just less packaging and you can just keep the refill. Cleaner ingredients mean cleaner hands. Aloe vera helps keep hands moisturized, beautifully scented with a natural fragrance. I'll smell it in just a second. Free of harsh chemicals. So that is their gel hand soap, and I love the packaging. So I'm assuming that it goes with this, which is the glass hand soap bottle. Well, you know I love their concentrates, and you just pair it with the glass spray bottle, and it's just so much more eco-friendly to have these refillable pouches with the glass bottle. And look how pretty this is. I'm just opening this for the first time with you. So this is really pretty, and it says Grove Collaborative on it, and it's very high quality. It's glass. Nice. So I will be pouring the hand soap into that. And then this is their gel dish soap in lemon, eucalyptus, and mint, and this has 2 refills in it. And it says it's more than 95% bio-based, no synthetic fragrances, dyes, or triclosan. Okay, so ultra effective for sparkling clean dishes. Efficacy tested for serious cleaning power, so I will actually try this today. Beautifully scented with a natural fragrance and free of harsh chemicals. This is the refill, and then this is the glass dish soap bottle. So let's open this up. Ooh, nice. How pretty. I like how it has the silicone base, just like their spray bottles do, so that you don't, accidentally break the glass when you set it down. So this is really pretty. Okay, let's try it out. I'm going to fill both of these containers. Okay, first I'm going to fill the gel dish soap. So I'm doing this for the first time with you. So I'm going to take the lid off of this pump, glass pump here, and take the gel dish soap. And I'm going to fill it. Hopefully you can see this. And it's nice because of the spout, it looks like you don't need a funnel. Okay, so it's going in. Stop it right about there. So this has about 2 refills in it. I'm going to smell this now too. Oh, it's very fresh. And again, I feel like all of Grove's cleaning products with their brand, they smell like something from a spa. And it does. It's lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. It's just very fresh and clean smelling. Nothing too overpowering. Okay, so that's the gel dish soap, and that's nice. I really like the bottle. Now I'm going to try the same thing with the gel hand soap, and this is in the lavender and thyme scent. Take the pump off of this and go ahead and pour this into the glass container. Oops, I looked up at the camera and I spilled some. That's okay. It's hard filming this at the same time. Let me just wipe it off. So I did spill a little bit, but let me smell this now. Oh, it's smells so good. It smells like a spa. That's all I know how to say. Just one of those chic Santa Monica spas. Okay, so in lavender and thyme. So I'm going to go try out both of these and I will let you know what I think of them. Okay, so here I am just doing the dishes from breakfast this morning, and I put about 5 pumps into the sink. That's probably more than I needed. I probably could have gotten away with just about 3 pumps. But this is what I do. I usually fill the sink with, soapy hot water as I'm cooking, and then as I need to, I just put dirty dishes in there to soak so that I don't have to, scrub the dishes. And then I just lightly scrub them and then put them in the dishwasher. So I know that seems like I'm washing them twice, but I just don't have the type of dishwasher where I can put, dirty dishes in it and expect all the food to get off. But this is a great dish soap. It works really well. I'm impressed with it. It works just as well as the others I have, and I love the smell. And here's the hand soap. Again, I love the smell. It smells like a spa. The lavender is really lovely, and it's just a nice moisturizing hand soap. So it's great, and I love the beautiful glass bottle as well. Okay, so that's it. My final thoughts are that they are both excellent products. I'm not surprised. I just love how you would get the glass bottle once and then the refills are so inexpensive, and then you have 2 to 3 refills per each one. So it's just a much more efficient and eco-friendly way to use soap to wash your hands and the dishes. So I think that they're really great. Thank you so much to Grove for sending them to me, and I'm really happy to share them with you on the channel. I'll leave links for Grove Collaborative below. Thank you so much for joining me today on Natural Home with Jennifer, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!